The drag and drop email builder in FunnelKit Automations makes designing your emails super easy. Here's what you need to know to get started. The first thing that we recommend you set up are your global styles. Under FunnelKit Automations, click on Emails and then on Global Styles. Your global styles are the default styling for the elements inside of your emails. We recommend that you set these first so that when you jump in and start designing your emails look cohesive and like they're from your brand. So let's go through these settings now. So the first one is your brand logo. So you'd click here to upload a logo, then you could link it to a page on your website. You could set this to auto width, which makes your logo expand to the width of its container. Next, you can set your brand colors. So you click here, you choose the color, or you could enter a hex code here and then click save. And there it is. And if you click, you could also remove that if you wanted. Under brand colors, you have your typography settings. So you can set your font family. So these are your email safe fonts, which is sort of your system fonts. And then you have some web fonts that you can use after that. If you choose a web font, you can also choose a backup font here so that if that web font is not on your user's computer, it will revert back to this one when it falls back. Under that, you can set your default font size for your text in your emails, and you can also play around with the font color. You'll notice that when we make changes on the left-hand side, we see a live preview on the right-hand side. Under that, you can set the color of the links inside of your email text. Under that, you can choose your button styling. So the background color, the text color, the font size, and then the width. Auto width just makes the button width the width of the text inside it, but you could disable that and then set it to a custom width. So here it's 100%. After that, you have footer settings, which we'll look at in a second. Under that, you can change the layout of your emails. So the width of the emails when somebody opens it up in their browser, as well as the alignment. You can change the content background color, which if I pull that down is that area there. And then you can also change the entire background color of the emails, which is that area there. Lastly, you have your social links. So you click here and you could select Facebook and link to your Facebook page there, and select another one. Let's do X, and we can add that there. Once you're happy, click save. And now, as you'll see in just a second, when we design our emails, we'll have that consistent look and feel across all of our emails. Watch the full video by clicking the link below. If you're not already using the powerful features of FunnelKit Automations, then definitely reach out to our pre-sales team or head on over to our pricing page to see our current deals.